Bonjour French Chic ladies. In our video today, 3 handbags, 3 outfits. Let's go. Here we are ladies, we are in Team Marianne Lecoeur office. We have the builders in at the moment. There's things everywhere. I've put everything as close together as I could. I've got my full-length mirror here. But look at this. We even got a crystal chandelier. The builders have gone for lunch, so I thought I would take this opportunity to create this video. I hope you will enjoy this impromptu format. Martha, a wonderful viewer, has asked me, Marianne, you hardly ever show us outfit with handbags. Luckily, my good friends from the Cambridge Satchel company sent me 3 amazingly so cute handbags for me to try. A big thank you to the Cambridge Satchel company for sponsoring our video. First off, the mini poppy. Look at this gorgeous little handbag. The color is chalk and that will look amazing with all your outfits, but especially the smart outfits. They all come with a shoulder strap, but of course you can remove the straps. And I left with a little handbag. A second handbag is this cutest purple satchel. Look at this, a mini satchel. So it opens up with those poppers here. You have a pocket at the front and a main one. And of course, the straps that you can use or not as you wish. And you've got a little handle. I can't wait to create an outfit for this one. Our third bag is this red satchel. Look at the deep red. And this gorgeous shoulder strap. Look at this. So again, poppers to open. Front pocket here and a main opening. I can put so much in it. You can have it down embossed as well, by the way. And luckily, Cambridge Satchel Company has a 30% off sale starting from today. I will put all the details in the description box below. I'm going to create 3 outfits, 1 for each handbag, so that it brings out the handbag. The focus is on the handbag, and we are going to create the outfits together. For our first outfit, I am going to use a mini poppy in chalk. Well, my husband and I have a vin d'honneur at our mairie, and we're going to meet hobnobs of the town, and it will probably be outside. So let's create the outfit. It's going to be a dressy. So what can I wear? I can wear smart trousers, or I can wear a dress. I could wear something like this. You got a gold, and that would go really well. Or these trousers, they will go as well. Or white trousers. Don't like the white trousers as much. I prefer this tone. Or maybe a dress. I've got this navy dress from Ralph Lauren. That's really nice. And you can see that the poppy bag pops. And that will be nice for a smart event. It's got its own belt here. Or I could add a belt. I've got also these bright trousers, an orange trousers. I put it in plastic, excuse me, because of the dust. Oh, that would look nice. Look at that. That would pop against the orange. Let me know what you think. That would look really, really nice. Orange trousers, or one of these, or the blue dress. Now, the shoes. If I wore the blue dress, which shoes could I wear? My shoes are here. I could wear these. It's going to be outside, so I think the heel is not going to go. I've got these flats, but that won't go with that dress. Or I've got these. A bit pink could go, the sandal, and the heel is rather flat. These would have been nice, but again, high heels, so it's not going to go for the outside. What about these? But that would go, navy. That would be really practical for the outside. That would go. Ooh, okay. And the handbag with it. If I wear one of these trousers, what top can I wear with that? So I could wear maybe one of these shirts, and would go well, that kind of, and then we will stay in that kind of neutral, light neutral color. I've got this one as well. Oh yeah, this one is gold and this is silver, so I wouldn't wear that together. This one is gold as well. Okay, well, white would, that with, let me think, maybe not this one. I find it too gold, but this one is a gingham It's a beige and a white gingham. That would go well, I think, with that, because it's got the white and the brown, so it picks up the colors from here as well. And it's got a brown scarf. That is nice. I'm thinking also, oh, they're gorgeous, with this. Oh, let me remove this bag. What do you think of that? That would look amazing as well. See how it all goes together? I think that would go well as well. What would you wear with what? So we've got a few options now. Oh! Aha! Thank you, Team Marianne Lecoeur. Look at these. Orange trousers with the orange shoes. With a poppy bag. And that shirt. Oh, we may have a winner here. So here is the final outfit that I have chosen to wear for a Vendonneur party. Just look how really good the handbag goes against the shirt, and you have the brown trimming, so it goes really well with the color of the bag, but also the orange trousers, and the orange shoes as well, and the orange trousers form one part of the outfit, so they don't detract from the handbag. And you can see when I carry the handbag against the orange trousers, it really pops. I can wear the scarf around my neck, or what about tying it on the handle of the bag? I think that is so cute. I think this outfit will be a wow at the Vendonneur. What do you think of this final outfit? Let us know in the comments below. Right, second outfit, the mini purple satchel. I have a meeting in Paris next week, and I thought I would wear this little cutie. I could start a trend in Paris, don't you think? I wanted to be the star of the outfit. What can I wear? My thought process is going to be not overly smart. I want it to be practical, maybe a little bit hot. How am I thinking? I could go for a dress, but I haven't got many dresses. I've got a pink dress here, but if I wear the pink with the purple, I think it's going to be too much. And as we say in France, on a besoin de quelque chose qui tranche avec le violet, et la robe rose ne va pas trancher. What I mean is that you need something that really pops against the purple. I don't think the pink is, I mean, it looks beautiful, but I think it needs something even more of a contrast so that the bag really pops against the blue. That's not gonna go. And the navy, no, it doesn't pop. Oh, okay, white. I've got a number of white trousers. I love white trousers for the spring summer. I've got cotton trousers. Look how good they look against the purple. But I am thinking, why not wear my linen, white linen trousers, and these are lined, so they're still a little bit warm because it's going to be beginning of June, so the weather can be uncertain. So if the weather's going to be nice, that's going to be fantastic. And if it's a little bit cool, it's still good because it's lined. And look at the purple bag against the white. I think that is the contrast that it needs to really pops. But what I'm thinking is not just the white trousers, I'm going to need a jacket. So I'm thinking, what about that? My trousers. It looks good together, but I want something that really contrasts. I want to make the bag pops. I want this handbag to be noticed in Paris. This is a suit, a white suit. Hold that for a minute. Look at the white suit with my, oh, look at this. This is so cute. I think I may just go with that. Oh yes, this is the contrast that it needs. So now what do we need? Well, I need to wear something underneath, and I need shoes. What for the top? I could wear a shirt. These are all my shirts. But you know, when you're sitting down, sometimes the color just pops out. Maybe not a shirt. Let's go for something that has a round color, a top or a t-shirt or a little sweater. Got all these here. could be a dark one. We could go for black because I've got plenty of white tops. You know something? These, by the way, ladies, if you have not got those little tops, short sleeves, round neckline or V neckline, you need those. They go with everything. So black. I could wear a blue one. Oh, I've got this sweet little thing. So let's have a look against the jacket. So you need to see it like that, don't you? And it will be inside the jacket, of course. So that will look like that. So we'll see the white. So that's an option. Not sure yet. Oops. But don't show that, darling. Oh, no. I just love this. What else have I got? Oh, that is nice. But I don't think it will go. Velvet and linen won't go. What else? That purple, no. Because, I mean, color-wise, it would go. Oh, no. It doesn't go. Oh, no. They are two different purple shades and that won't go together. Ah, we've got pink. And now that would go because pink and purple go together. Oh, that's nice. I like that. So it's still spring summery. Pink and purple go together and the main part of the outfit is white. So I think that would work. You can see the thinking process here. You have to think of your event, of the weather, if you're going to be outside, if you're going to walk, where you're going to stand, on a hard surface, or is it going to be on grass? Is it smart? Is it casual? That kind of thing. There's a big thinking process here. Otherwise, it's going to be white. Of course, the white would go, but I think it's going to be too much. White, 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 white. I need some color there, close to my face. Otherwise, it's going to be too white, I think. Just look at something I'm going to try. Tell me what you think, and there's this thinking process here. I'm going to be wearing all white, and I think it's going to be too much for me. But if I add the pink, that is so much nicer. So I think I may have found the top. Now, shoes. Paris, spring, summer, walking and traveling. I could wear some sandals like this, and they have a little bit of pink, but they are neutral as well. So that would go, because, you know, that can go together. Comfortable, summery, with a small heel. I can wear them to travel and to walk, but not too far. These are comfortable, and we love loafers in France. A light neutral, so that would go as well. Flat to walk would be handy, really comfortable insoles. Now loafers, but these, they look too wintry for that. Not with linen, and they are suede, so not with linen. These are so cute. Now these, the choice was these, that, and the loafers. These would be spring summery because they're canvas, they're white, they go with a linen suit. I can be walking in those really, you know, really well on the streets of Paris. And it adds a kind of a contrast to the suit, so it makes it more casual, a bit more relaxed. In France, we like things that are a little bit more, we say, cool and relaxed. So that could be a good option. Let me know in the comments below what you think, which footwear I should go for. So now is the outfit that I've chosen to wear on my trip to Paris for my business meeting. So I went for the white linen suit with the pink t-shirt because I think it brought some color to the white. Otherwise, I've been too much white and I don't want to look like a nurse. For the shoes, I went for the white sneakers, passepartout, really relaxed, comfortable, and it will go with that. That is perfect. And you can see how that mini purple satchel pops against the outfit. I think it works and it is just perfect for my day in Paris for my business meeting. For our next outfit, I want an outfit so that I can wear this red satchel. I know exactly where I'm going to wear this outfit. I'm going to visit a friend of mine who is a designer, and we are going to talk shop. So it's going to be friendly and fairly casual. This red bag, what could I wear with this? I love it, just even... So I'm thinking jeans. Let's have a look. I could have those jeans. They're kind of light blue. Want some darker ones. Let's have a look. Oh, I've got these cutest jeans with the two pockets at the front. These look amazing, and with a bag. Where's the bag gone? Look at that. Cute and cute. Got a pocket here and two pockets there. I love that against the bag. Oh, look at that. These were made for each other. Oh yes, so I like these jeans. So these jeans, okay, so now what can I wear as a top? We've got the red and dark blue. So we've got blue already. So this is my thought process. I'm thinking. So we can go with white, but then we have big piece of white, then navy. That can go, and that, and the red. Well, as a French person, I prefer something in the blue. Let's stay in the blue, so that the red pops. So I've got something blue here, but it's striped. It's not gonna go, I don't think, because that's adding, I don't know. No, there's already a strap here. No. Again, we've got that navy one, it's got a bit of white. So that could go, but we need something underneath. Not 100% sure. And again, if it's not 100% sure, it's not sure. I've got plenty of navy things. I've got a sweater. Oh, it's just a cardigan, long sleeves, or a long sleeve sweater. Or again, one of these fabulous tops. Short sleeve sweater in navy. If I put that together, and with a bag, okay, I know it goes. I'm French. We wear these colors. These are classic colors for us. So this would be a typical French outfit. So that would go with a navy top. I know that. I've also got this shirt, too dressy. Silk, again, too dressy. And strap shirts. You need at least one. It is slimming, it is casual, it is dressy, it is everything that you want. I've got this one. That could go. Oh, now why did I say oh and not to this one, not the others? Because I find that the bag really pops. With this, you can see that it works, and next to the bag, can you see my thought process? Let me know what you think, and which is your favorite top. It's nice to have 2 or 3 options, so that if one option you thought first, let it would go. Once you put it on, the whole thing does not quite work. Shoes. I'm gonna be walking from the car park or the train station to the shop and maybe for something to eat. I wear these, fairly neutral, a bit of pink. Those loafers, neutral loafers, they would go well with the jeans and that. Again, I can go with white sneakers, I know they will go. Or these. So I've got a choice here. Again, I think the shoes, because they're very important, the shoes for an outfit. I will put the outfit that I want, and afterwards I will try with different pair of shoes to find the one that, oh yes, because it needs to be, oh yes. So which shoes would you choose? So here's the outfit. So these blue jeans, and I went for the light blue strap shirt and the beautiful navy blue Tommy Hilfiger's. And look at this. Give me long legs, I love it. It is casual, yet I have the feminine touch of those heels. And look with this red handbag. The handbag really pops, and which is what I wanted. If you enjoyed this video, you will love this one.